Hello, this is Dr. Hamawy at Princeton Plastic Surgeons at Hamawy Hair Restoration, and we are doing a robotic hair restoration, a robotic assisted hair restoration today for this gentleman who wants to have more hair at the top of his head. Now, the reason we're not doing the whole thing with the robot is that we are not going to be shaving the top, which is giving us the advantage of having long hair on the beginning and not bringing it down, but it's not using the full capabilities of the robot, which is able to actually implant hairs as well, and is often more precise and more accurate than a human. But you know, it's one of the things that we have is a lot of different options for everyone so that we can individualize the procedure to your comfort level. So in the beginning, we're going to extract the hair using the robot. We shave the hair down and use the robot to individually take follicles, which give us the most natural results and also leaves no residual visible scars. So no long lines, no pain afterwards, nothing that you have to really hide. And then after that, we are going to place the implants by hand into the front of the scalp. We're also doing a PRP treatment, which stands for platelet-rich plasma. We draw your own blood and filter out the platelet-rich plasma, which has the growth factors, basically all your body's natural healing capabilities. We're going to bathe the hair follicles in them to improve survival and growth, and also to treat the native hair that's already in the head, so that that also has the benefits of it. So take a look. It is a full day procedure, but it passes quickly because we're all having fun. And if you are interested in this or any of our other procedures, please subscribe to this channel so that you can watch our videos. Also follow us on social media. Check out our website, www.drhamawy.com, and for sure, please give us a call, and we hope to see you soon.